A few months ago, I made a video on the figure eight with turn, and I was asked to explain what the feet motions are. So if you haven't already seen the original video, please watch it by clicking in the top right hand corner on the little I or in the link in the description to watch that before watching this video. To do a 180 turn towards the left, you're going to want to take your left foot, place it behind but next to your right, and then as you turn, you untwist your body so that your entire body faces the back. To come back, you do the same thing, left behind but next to, as needed, turn. You're going to have to do the footstep a little bit in advance of the bow so that you are able to complete the motion smoothly. Doing a full turn is a bit more complicated because we don't have as much time. So instead, as the bow comes along and we start to turn our body, is now when we take that left foot, we bring it all the way behind, but then we move it a little bit further and place it ahead of our right foot. We can't do this when our body is facing that direction, so we wait until we're turned about a quarter of the way towards the left. We can then unravel our body and continue the turn all the way to the front by spinning on our feet. Then when we're almost there, we can take that right foot and step up so that we're back into a standing position and can continue our figure eight motion. If we want to go into a punch from here, we just step forward with the right all the way into our punch. Thanks for watching to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment below if you have a question or want to see something specific, and subscribe to my channel for new videos.